Noah Edwards. Cleworth, o, na chi bas hyfryd I lwybr Sean Bradley. Mae Bickerstaff yn y cwrt. Bradley mynd amdani ar y postyn gosa. Werth mentro fanna Sean Bradley. So di gael gafel go iawn â ni. Mae gyda Kai Jones yn disgwyl am y briwsion. Louis Agustan yma. Hyder Cynarfon yn sicr yn cynyddu yn y fama. Hayes. Mae'n gael yn un I Mike Hayes. Hayes! O, cyfle clir I Mike Hayes. So di gallu cymryd rhyw gam arall y fanna, dydwch. Marriott. Gareth Edwards, mae Robles I mewn y tu ôl, a mae'n gyfle fan hyn I Draper. Mor syml â hynna, y bel hir o'r cefn I Robles, I sgwario hi, I pwy arall. Ond y prif sgoriwr yn ôl hanes, y Seintia newydd, Greg Draper. Harrison. Bel I Noah Edwards I gwylio, mi lithrodd o ar y funud, Olaw yn y gyfle fan hyn I brobl, mae Mullen yn y canol, mae Draper ar ymyl y cwrt. Draper! A'r golwr. Yn ffodus. Gweld y bel yn disgyn i'w ddwylo, mi gymodd I wiriad, oedd I ar yr ergyd gan Greg Draper. Harrison. Pas at y brobl ceisio rhyddhau. Mullen, mae Mullen di mynd tu hwnt I Noah Edwards, mae di cael ei lorio rwan, so mae gen Cheryl Foster benderfyniad I wneud yn fan hyn. Mae yna gerdyn yn mynd I ddod I Noah Edwards, a'i melyn, a'i coch, beth I lliw y cerdyn I Noah Edwards, mae o'n goch. Fo oedd yr amddiffynwr ola, mi loriodd o Mullen, a mae Cynarfon yn mynd o'r chwarae chydig dros 5 munud o'r 90 efo 10 dyn. Mae'n y capten, Chris Marriott, sydd ar cyfrifoldeb, ond taro'r trawst a'r golwr wedi gyrra, mae dal yna I Blaine Hudson. Y gic rydd gan Chris Marriott, taro'r trawst, Draper yn greiwr y tro hwn, a Blaine Hudson y cefnwr mawr, gol hawdd iddo fo, triffwynt i'r ymwelwyr. Cynarfon dim, y Seintia newydd 2.
Greg, what an evening for yourself, a goal and an assist. How are you feeling right now?
Yeah, it was just nice to get on the pitch for a start, to be honest. Obviously been a frustrating few weeks, not getting as much game time as I would have liked, but you know, I think the team's been doing really well. So now it's just nice to come on and make an impact like I did, like you say, a goal and an assist. So yeah, it's good to be back.
Anthony, another 3 points in the bag, but it's fair to say there were times where you had to really work hard for that win.
Yeah, we certainly did. I mean, we won 2-0, scored 2 goals in the second half, but we didn't have a shot on target in the game, apart from obviously those 2. So that just shows sort of, 1, how tight the game was, and 2, how probably little we created. We definitely like to create a lot more in those games, and we felt if we got 1 goal, then we'd be able to keep the clean sheet, and we were right with that. However, yeah, it wasn't our best performance by any stretch, but listen, these players are winners, they want to win, and they know what it takes to get over the line, and you could say we did that today.
Richard, oedd hi'n noson siomedig yn y diwedd, ond beth yw'ch teimladau chi yn dilyn y canlyniad?
Yndi, mae'r canlyniad yn siomedig, ond dwi'n meddwl bod perfformiad wedi bod y wych. TNS, maen nhw'n briliant yn cadw bel, ond dwi'n meddwl gathen nhw'n llawer o chances. Nathon nhw i'r ochr, ond oedden ni efo game plan I setio fyny fod yn reit dyfn a trio nullify nhw o'r chances na. Dwi'n meddwl bod ni wedi gwneud o, wedyn na'n ffodus, mae'n un mistake na. Dwi'n meddwl, os da ni'n delio efo hwn efo tro gynta, da ni'n gallu gwneud y well a gweld y gêm allan 0-0, lle o'n i'n gweld nhw sgorio heb awn mistake ni. So, siomedig efo'r canlyniad, ond y perfformiad lot gwell na be oedden ni disadwn.
That first goal finally came from Greg Draper. I have to ask you about him. It hasn't been easy for him. We saw you at the end, you went over, you gave him a hug. What was said and what were your thoughts on his performance?
Yeah, I just said well done to him. I thought he got a goal and assist, and you could say he changed the game. He's had to be patient. He didn't come on the weekend. He hasn't probably played as much game time as he liked, but he's an absolute professional. He's been here for a long time and really cares about the club, and was so pleased for him tonight to get on the score sheet and get the assist as well and make an impact when he came on. So yeah, well done to him.